Hi friends, good morning friends. This is 19th problem in day 4 friends. Friends, say the cost price of the watch, say X rupees. Friends, if he sells the watch for 4,000 rupees, then the loss incurred. Friends, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So, loss is equal to X minus 4,000. Friends, if this watch is sold for rupees 5,000, then the profit means sold price minus cost price. Friends, it is given that if the watch is sold for rupees 5,000, then the profit is two-third of the loss when it was sold for rupees 4,000. So this is the equation, friends, from which you can easily find the value of X. 3 5s 15,000 minus 3x is equal to 2x minus 8,000. See friends, 5x is equal to 15 plus 8, 23,000. So x is equal to 23,000 by 5. See friends, 5 4s 20, 30 remains, 5 6s 2 zeros. So x is equal to 4,600 friends. So the cost price of the watch is 4,600 friends. Okay friends, let us go to last problem of day 4, that is 20th problem. Thank you friends.